Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python commonly asked coding question interview series, today let's discuss about how to find missing elements in a range. Right? So you have an array or list as shown in the example here. Here I have an list called list one, which has few elements like it has 1, 3, 5, and 4. Similarly, it has one more input called low and high. Basically, this is the minimum and the maximum range. So here in this example, 1 is the minimum range and 10 is the maximum range. So basically, what we have to find is, so between this range from 1 to 10, what and all are the elements that is missing from list 1. So in this example, 2 is missing, 4, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9, 10 is missing, right? So basically we want to find what are the elements which is missing in the list 1. Okay, so this is what we generally call as missing range. Okay, so otherwise it is also called as missing elements in a range. So come, let's jump on to the solution. So def as usual, I'm creating a method def missing range. So we have arguments called list1, right? List1, and we have low and high. Okay, so these are the three arguments that we are going to use in this solution. And yeah, so as a best practice, okay, so it is always good thing to convert this list into a set element. Basically we want to remove the duplicates because this might have duplicates, right? So yes, equal to, it is not always necessary, but it is it is something very as a best practice you can always use this. So set of list one, right? So now this will remove all the duplicates from the list one and only pick up the unique elements. Okay, so once this is done, as usual, if you want to iterate through, if you want to go through each and every elements in a given range, then as usual we have to use a for loop. So I'm using a traditional for loop for x in range. Say, so what is the range? It will be from my lowest value 0. So the input value would be, so basically the value would be low, comma, high plus 1. So so when we say the range is up to 10, so it will also include 10. Okay, so I will always try to verify the value which is greater than 1 greater than the maximum element. So high plus 1, and so basically we want to print the elements whatever is not present in the list. Basically here it is set. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give an if condition if x not in yes. Okay, if x is not present in yes, and I am going to print the value of x, as simple as that. Right, yeah, I think this should be enough. Finally we need to call the method missing range. So the arguments list 1 comma low comma high. So these are the arguments. All right, so I think that's pretty much we have completed, I guess. So let's run the program and see. So I'm running this. Yep, so here so it showed me output like 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Basically, yeah, so apart from 1, 3, 5, and 4, it returned all the missing element in this range from 1 to 10. So in case if you want to see if it is working for out of the range, so let's use element called, let's use number called 12. Okay, so if you run this now, it will not take because 12 is not within the range of 1 to 10, right? So it will not definitely work. And if you want to change the range also, you can change. So I'm going to change the range from 1 to 13. So yeah, it printed all the elements whatever is missing from list 1 from 1 to 13. Okay, so this is how you can find missing elements in a range. Okay guys, I think that's all what I want to cover as part of this video. I would suggest you to try this because this is a very entry level programming question asked in top MNCs. And so if you're trying to crack few interviews, I would definitely suggest you to try this, and happy programming. Thank you.